All right, let's take an after look for today. Got this thing in the lowest gear. Yeah. Hey guys, Kapper here. Here we are, September 8th. And tonight we're actually closing on the property. Listen how quiet it is. But I just got here, I got the Coyote. Let me show you how it fits on there with the rhino tiller. My buddy Phil came yesterday and he sprayed my 4 new plots. So those are nice and soaked in with herbicide. And we're gonna go from 0 to hero on this land, just like other ones we've done. So this tiller is a little wide, but it sits right on this rail perfectly on both sides. Can't beat that. It's much easier loading and unloading, which somebody made a comment in there about me pushing safety. I'm going to do a video on that at some point, but I mean, geez, I just bought a brand new trailer, $18,000. Got a whole new 20,000 pound hitch set up that was set up by the trailer company. Got my CDL temps just to be safe. So, I don't know, I'd say we're pretty good. All right, I got my lunch packed. Snacks, cameras. There's several different ditch crossings here. I need to make one good permanent one, but I was able to mow and find a couple of other decent spots. To get the first thing I'll probably do is get a couple loads of 3-inch stone and make a nice gravel this parking area, gravelize it. And this ground is wet, so we should get real good germination. It's really weird. There's a lot of deep spots and a lot of nice shallow spots like this that are all rock. Yeah, I'm in low gear, I know. Alright, we're going to be telling in a minute. I'll check back in once we get there. Somebody had a good point about me bush hogging first before riding, and stuff is 7-8 foot tall, just jungles. So that was a good call. Oh yeah, Fred Bear, top off with a little Red Bull. We're gonna make some happen really fast. Really fast. Just like it happened so many times before. Oh yeah. You never heard Fred Bear? You gotta check it out by Nugent. Moist that dirt is. This is a perfect planting moisture right here. They're going to start germinating from day one because it's real wet. Alright, here's the after look for the first tilling. I did 2 passes over here, and then I slowed down and did 1 on that half. But I mean, you could see this is really good and moist. And so, man, this is going to be perfect. Just hope the tiller holds up. I mean, it works really hard in clay sod like this. I mean, she gets hot. Now we're up in the back corner field, and I talked to Phil about my location selections, and sometimes we differ, and he thought maybe farther out here, but I'm not sure how far the line is that way. So I picked this bowl down here for a couple reasons. One, you got your neighboring house right over there. Not that you have problems, but I like to put the plots where nobody could see them, and then all behind us is the public, so it's down in a bowl like this, so nobody could see deer in there. They won't know your plots in there unless they've come here and trespassed or watched my video. But the other reason is there's a nice water cut down in there that I could make a nice watering hole right down in the center, and it'll fill up in 1 or 2 rains, so it'll be a double whammy. And then this road here goes to the I think I'm going to call that the bald knob plot, because it's like a bald knob. Very pretty, big time views up there. But let's get to cutting this one. Keep on jamming. Yeah. Phil's loading up. Fertilizer mix. They only had 624.24, so I brought a bag of urea, and he's gonna mix accordingly. Alright, here's where we're starting to double team here. I left a few strips to till because this one here is just a real pretty plot. Alright, let's get her going. Say, Phil?
Say we're putting her in.
Beautiful day, man.
Not close, but we're putting it in.
Yep. 4 grain is going in now. He did the fertilizer already. 4 grain mix, and then the brassicas will be last. Rock and roll, baby. Justin just called me and said closing should still be good for tonight. Is starting big seed and fertilizer. I need a little more yet.
Need a little more.
I don't know why I quit. There you go, baby. Just beautiful. Nice and moist. Oh, here comes Phil making another run. Not bad while I'm driving the tractor, huh? Sweet. Alright, brassicas are going right now and it's done. Look at that, beautiful. Good stuff. There's our first plot going down right there. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, now I'm in the bottom plot. Very secluded location. I hand-picked the logs out of there. The dirt is really wet. But very picturesque down here, very pretty. Alright, here's a midstream look at the bottom plot. I got it all busted up now. Hey, butterfly. And now I'm going and smoothing it over. Some really dark and rich dirt down here. Man, this field is rough. We're in the bottom here. This here right here you're gonna see is a little watering hole almost. Right here. I mean, I'm getting into water. This is gonna be an easy water hole with the excavator right here in this low spot. It's already got water in it. Deer love that. Still hitting a few logs here as well, but I picked out all the ones I could find. Alright, here's an after look at the bottom plot. Man, that thing was rough. It still is, but a heavy drag is what it needs, but it's going to get some seed and fertilizer. It's just beautiful down here. I couldn't hear you.
You're eating a sandwich.
Oh, yeah. It's lunchtime.
I feel like cold.
Hey, you missed a spot over
I feel
here.
like cold trickling. Everybody's having ice cream.
All right, let's take an after look for today. This is the bottom plot right here. Just finishing it up. And there's the middle plot. And this is the bald knob plot, because it is a bald knob and it's a beautiful elevation. And here's the top plot. Wow, that was a massive couple days of success with the machines. Just no doubt about that. Special thanks to my buddy Phil, although we got some projects lined up on his property now with the excavator. Beautiful. And that's a wrap.